Welcome to EIP Editing Office Hour Meeting 6. We are joined by a handful of EIP authors today. I have shared the list of proposals for consideration for today's meeting. And yeah, over to you, Sam, and I can maybe point out the pull request number for which we have authors present on the call.
Sure, sounds good. So where do we want to start today?
The first one is 5773, and that is in the draft status.
All right.
EIP 5865, but the pull request, sorry, EIP 5773 and pull request number is, the same.
Okay, let's see if my screen share will work today. It will not. I will be right back.
Sure.
Okay, I can unmute myself. Perfect. Let's try sharing my screen again. EP office hour share. All right.
Yep, it's working.
Perfect.
So the number is 5773. You can find it in draft section.
All right. Okay, so it looks like we have some resolved comments here. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, so I don't think the title. So the title's changed, but I don't think it's improved enough. It still doesn't really say what a resource is, and it just adds other word context. So I think we want to try and be a little bit more specific.
I mean, the limitation is still 44 characters.
No,
right?
I know. Context dependent tokens. So okay. Context for multimedia information. So something like that, maybe. I think it's sharing the left side. Just because resource is a very general word. Like it can mean like a consumable resource like gas. It can mean like a link. So including something like multimedia would probably help, especially if it's for like PNGs or SVGs. And that's my suggestion. I mean, this one's probably not a hard suggestion. Okay, so let's see. An interface for multi-resource tokens. Okay, that's all right. I think it's definitely better than it was for the description. Resource tokens. If you can, I try to define what a resource is in here. But again, it's hard to pack information into a short space, so just do your best on that. So, yeah, okay, so yes, I think this one is good. Yeah, that's great. Perfect. Yeah, okay. Cross metaverse compatibility. Yeah, it's reasonable. Okay. Then that was down here. Perfect. Yeah. I would never have guessed that's what SERP was. NFT evolution. Hmm. Any particular reason you're using the quadruple backticks instead of triple?
It's just when I'm writing docs, I sometimes use three when writing within the code block. So
Okay,
this
I'm
helps.
not
And
sure
just
if so. I'm not sure if our Markdown renderer does the 4. So if it doesn't render right, just switch it to 3. I don't really care otherwise. Yep, good. Okay, perfect. So that's taken care of. Okay. One, two. Okay. Cool. So overwrites. Yeah, that's perfect. Sorry, I have to stop my bunny from eating something. I'll be right back. Sorry, he was destroying a box. Okay. The output of this function isn't defined in the specification sections. Get resource metadata. So this metadata here, that's the output from the get resource metadata?
right.
Okay. Yeah, so we'll just make that nice and obvious. And then we can get rid of this one. Okay. So what did you end up doing with the get all resources function? Did you just remove it, or?
Yeah, we did. And
Okay.
on the rationale, you explain why.
Okay. Then we'll go down to your rationale section. Okay. Yes, that's perfect. That looks good. And then so that looks like it's just been removed. Okay, so okay. Okay. Yeah, so I think you can probably keep the test cases. Yeah, it should be fine. And then
Yeah, we saw this in other EIPs, which
yeah,
are removed, I think, so should be okay.
it should be okay. Okay. So the only other thing I generally, I mean, I feel like I should mention, some of the other editors feel strongly about including only CC0 licensed code. Is there any chance you'd be willing to relicense this as CC0?
We'll have to check. I'm not really aware of what that license is.
Okay, yeah. So I'll just leave a little note here, and
Yes.
you don't have to, but if you can, we definitely prefer it.
Yeah,
So
it's probably not an issue.
perfect. Okay. Okay. Cool. And all right. So I think we are done with this one. Yeah, thanks for making those changes. I really appreciate it. And yeah, shouldn't be too much longer before it gets merged.
It was really good stuff, Sam. Thanks a lot.
No, it's my pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. The next one is PR 5881. It is ready to be moved into final status.
Okay. Okay, so what are the changes we've got going on here? Is this just white space changes? Come on, GitHub. Let's go. There we go. So let's see if there's any discussion still going on here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't seem like there's any active discussion threads, so I'm okay with this going to final. Is there anything else on here?
Yay.
Yeah.
Javier and Lumi, if you guys have any questions.
All right, where are we going next?
The next one is 5768. And that is for the last call, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah, we have fixed all the tech issue.
Okay.
Rebased. Yeah, we rebased everything. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So this is going to last call. Okay.
Just waiting for merge.
Yeah, yeah. So this will need to be updated. So what's 2 weeks from today? It'll be the 29th. Okay, good. The same is aiming to manage. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm assuming you haven't changed much since the last time I reviewed this, just like fix the
Yes.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, just fix the tech issue.
Okay. So same deal over here. That. Okay. And then if we take a look for this, what do we have? All right. So in the EIP, we have privilege assigned is still here, and then we're removing privilege assigned down here still. Oh no, okay, it's just changed. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah, same here. Just get rid of that one too. And otherwise, yeah, it should be good. Feel free to just like ping me on Discord or Twitter or Telegram or anywhere except GitHub when you're done, and I'll just come back and take another look at it.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
And the next one here is Victor mentioned about a specific number. You can find it in miscellaneous. That is 5388. And the question here is how to categorize this EIP.
That's always a good question.
Yeah.
So it's definitely not networking. Because that's exclusively for the peer-to-peer layer.
If you think we can have this one on tomorrow's call, we can move it there as well. Like whatever.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think this is probably fine as an ERC. I mean, you could technically maybe put it into interface since it isn't a like standard for a single application. It's standard for multiple applications. But yeah, I mean, ERC is fine for this.
Okay. Okay. It looks like Victor has dropped. Maybe he can follow the recording. And I think we have covered all the proposals for which we have the Victor joined back. Sorry. So Victor, we were discussing 5388 and it looks like the suggestion is to have it in ERC. Do you have any thoughts to add or share?
Okay, yeah, I don't have it. I just want to kind of get the general concept. I kind of apply that into network. Oh, sorry, into interface ERCs, but
Yeah,
is-
it's a little blurry between interface and ERC sometimes. I don't really care too much which one it goes in.
I see, got it. Yeah, no problem. I just want to kind of run that by you. Yeah, no questions. Yeah, that works as an ERC for sure.
Awesome.
Cool.
So the next one we have is 5778, which is ready for moving into review status. PR number is 5778, yeah.
No, I was requested for review. Oh, this is the PandaPip one. All right, let's see what this is. So going into review. Going into review. EIP. Yeah, I mean, that looks fine to me. Nothing too difficult there. All right, where are we going next? It's 5778.
So here is another author from EIP 5570. Sean, do you have any specific pull request number? If you can maybe share the link here.
It's not a specific pull request. It's currently merged, so it's in its draft. I just had some questions.
Oh yeah, go for it.
I'm just trying to figure out what the process is to get it through review, and then obviously the next stages as well, and what sort of what that process looks like, really.
Sure. So it's entirely up to you to move it into whatever state you want to move it into. The editors won't ever touch your EIP without you making a PR, except for like formatting stuff. But generally speaking, we don't touch it. So when you think the EIP is in a state where it's ready for like wider audience review, you just make a PR that changes the status into review, and then it's your responsibility to kind of go out and get feedback from interested parties. So for something like digital receipt non-fungible tokens, you might want to talk to wallet developers to display these receipts. You might want to talk to vendors who would be generating these receipts and get them to give feedback on your proposal.
Yeah, definitely. So what sort of, because I guess right now that's what I've been focusing on, is getting community sort of engagement with it, because it's been quite a little bit quiet.
Yes.
So, and I guess that's on me, just not having the like sort of engagement for it. So would that be roadblocking to move it to review, or if
Oh
I
no,
get
no. Like review is just when you're done making like significant changes to it, and then you just move it to review.
Yeah, okay, awesome. Because I do have a couple items I want to review on it, but like I guess I'm probably close to moving that there, and then I think I'll probably go see if I can find some more people to comment on it.
Sounds good. Yeah,
Okay, amazing. Thank you.
no problem.
And just another piece of suggestion here, Sean. Maybe you can DM me later on to have you signed up for PPNIT. That is generally to provide an overview of the proposal that helps get some more of the engagement on proposal implementation and awareness side.
So what was that called again? I missed.
So there is this YouTube, Ethereum cat herders share a YouTube talk on proposals that is called PEEP and EEP. Maybe if you can DM me on Ethereum Cat Herders Discord or mention it over there, I'll provide you more details to sign up
Yeah,
for that.
that's amazing. Thank you so much. I'll do that.
Awesome. All right, so I think we are done with final last call review and we can go for the draft. Okay, there is one other thing that I wanted to check with you, Sam. We have received recently a lot of changes to proposals which are already existing in the final status. Those are listed under the miscellaneous category if you would maybe like to take a look. The first one is 5903, pull request number 5903.
All right, these are always unpleasant.
Right,
So what are we
and
changing here?
this month we have received more than usual. Generally, we get one or two, but it's more than that.
Okay, and then who's approved this? We have Panda Pip. I think the actual like official approach for this should be to remove the links and not update them. I don't want to have a precedent of updating stale links and EIPs. All right. Then we've got this one. I think I've commented on this one already. All right.
So
Oh,
do you
sorry,
want me
yeah.
to add? Do you want me to add 5887 to EAP next? Or
Yeah.
okay, I can do that.
Most of these things are going to be added to it just because.
Okay, not a problem. I try to like have a list created over here so you can go through, and you can do it later on if you would like, and we can probably look into some of the new proposals which are there once you're done with this. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty reasonable. What's the actual diff now look like? Okay, signature-based execution. Okay, okay, so destination has been removed. So 19, 0. So 19, 0 is should be followed by the intended validator address and the data to sign. So if we look at this, it says 19, 0, the intended validator address, and then the data to sign. Okay. I guess they haven't pushed the smaller version of it. Okay. Okay. This 191. This one here. So this is another final change. So what's going on here? Okay, let's see the rich diff, because this is okay. So we want to go all the way down to there. Okay. So you're adding those lines. Oh, I see. They're actually making it into like real code. And then so this is 114,500 and this is 014,500. What does that mean? So this one is a back over here. think it was this one. Okay. Oh, this is way too much of a change for a final EIP. I'm very nervous about these things.
Yeah, right. Maybe you can take a look later on as well. I just wanted to highlight that we have received quite a few uh,
Yeah.
changes for
Yeah.
final. Okay.
Okay, so I'll just leave this as a comment. All right, where are we off to next?
Okay, I see a comment here from Lumi. Dumi, if you would like to speak for it. Asterisk and slashes in formula do not appear. Okay, fair enough. 4519. Now we have a bunch of draft proposals. Maybe we can start looking into it. The first one is 5748.
Sure. All right. Let's make sure this exists. And cool.
This seems to be proposed in interface category. I hope that is fine.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So, vision pattern. Okay. Yes, I think a lot of the comments that I left haven't been updated on this one, so I'm just gonna move on and somebody else can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next one is 5753.
5753. All right. Hey, another extension on EIP 721. Okay, lockable extension for 721. Okay, is this issue? Interesting. Okay. 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 Unlockable. Okay. Okay. So this shouldn't really say a wallet. All right. So. I'll be right back. Give me one sec. Sorry about that. All right. Compatible current EIP 721 standards. Okay, we have a reference implementation. Nice. Okay, local section for EIP 721. Okay, so you can't relock it. Okay. So I guess we should probably mention here. All right. Cool. So I think that's about all the time I have for today.
That's right. Yeah. Thank you, Sam, for doing this. For people listening to this call, if you have anything in pull request form or if you have any question related to EIPs, hopefully we can see you in the next EIP editing office hour, which is on 2 weeks from now. You can come and chat with us on ECH Discord and leave your comments on the agenda so we can include your pull request to be discussed in the next meeting. Thank you all for joining. Have a good one.